Siddhanta Saraswati Vijayate Gauriya Goshtipati Bande Guru Pada Dandam Bhakta Binda Samanitam Sri Chaitanya Prabhum Bande Nityananda Sahoditam Sri Nandanandanang Vande Radhika Charanodayam Gopijano Samayuktam Bindavanam Manoharam Vansha Kalpataruvasya Kipa Sindhu Bhavacam Patitanang Pavunebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Mukhaṁ Karoti Vācālaṁ Pangum Langhayatagirim Yat Kipatamahang Vande Paramananda Madhavam Vrindavan Tulsidev Vai Piya Vai Kesavasya Sina Bhakti Pade Devi Sattvatvai Namo Namaha Narayana Namaskritta Naram Chaiva Narottamam Deving Saraswati Vyasam Tato Jayo Mudire Sankirtane Krishna Kathopadeshe Gauriya Patrasya Prakasane Sadhanurakta Guru Bhakti Yukta Bhakti Pramodaksha Jagud Varuna Deyam Sada Paribhavagnam Abhishtaduham Tirthaspadam Siva Virinchanutam Saranyam Vitatiham Panutapal Bhavadiputam Bande Mahapurusate Charuna Ravindam Yat Pada Pallavanukha Chandamani Chataya Vispurujita Kimapi Gopavadu Swadasti Purunanuragra Sasagra Saramurti Saradhika Mai Kada Kipam Kuros Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Binda Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Binda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Ajanulambita bhujau kanaka bodhato Sankirtanai kapitaro kamala yataksho Vishambaro Dijavaro Jugadharma Palo Bande Jagat Priyakaro Karuna Avataro Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Namami Gange Tava Pad Pankajam Sura Suroe Vandito Diparupam Bhuktin Cha Muktin Cha Dada Sinitam Bhavanurupena Sada Naranam Ganga Taranga Ramaniya Jata Kalapam Gauri Nirantara Vibhushi Tobam Bhagam Narayano Priyamanangumada Puharam Varanasi Purapati Bhajavi Shanatham Vagisha Jusha Vadane Lakshmi Yasacha Bhaksasi Jasyasti Hidaya Sambhid Tvam Nishingamaham Bhaji Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Sango ya sangsritir hetu asasya vihito dhiya sa eva sadhu sukritaha nishangataya kalpate. Sango ja sangsritir hetu asasya vihito dhiya sa eva sadhu sukritaha nishangataya kalpate. Gauriya Gosripati, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that due to cheap maya, dangerous maya, how due to cheap calm, to fulfill their very cheap calm, they like to jump into fire to destroy their life. Oh, we cannot even think how jivas are driven by this cheap, very cheap, dangerous karma, and they are going to sacrifice their life unto the lotus feet of Maya Devi. They are not ready to sacrifice their life unto the lotus feet of Guru Vaishnava Bhagavan. Oh my God! They say all they are going to jump into fire of Maya Devi. They are not ready to accept. They are not at all ready to accept that absolute truth. Of course, to accept absolute truth, you need luck. Your luck is bad, you cannot accept. Prabhupada used to say, somebody asking, so many devotees, Prabhupada, why they cannot accept that absolute truth? Why they cannot do bhajan? How they can do? If their luck is very good, only and only they can do Hari. Everybody cannot do Hari. It depends upon previous sanskar. All previous. Dirty sanskar. Infinity period. Infinity period. They are doing Sangha. They are doing Sangha and growing their habit, behavior, character, everything. In fact, without Sangha, nobody never can live. Nobody. Even tiger also doing Sangha. Elephant also doing Sangha. Snake also doing Sangha. A little bit different way. But they are doing Sangha. Without Sangha, they cannot do. And that Sangha is responsible for your sukh, or your, whatever you gather, sanskar. Sanskar is very important. One can demand, I am Brahman, but your character, your behavior not going to prove that you are Brahman. You know Ravan is from high family, Brahman, Vishwasrava. But you watch their behavior. Ravan is Brahman? Not at all, but he demands I am Brahman. Knowing Shastra, everything. Memorize. Whenever he used to do Arati of Bhagavan, Shankar Bhagavan, Ravan so great, big Pandit, big Pandit in the sense, according to their estimation, not according to Shastra. Ravan, while doing Arati of Shankar, Bole Baba, doom, 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 all hand. And making Sanskrit sloka immediately, ready-made. Not that after writing I can memorize Juna. Immediately speaking. So, big proficiency. Baap re baap. Daily new, slow, sota. But that Ravan is Ravan. No more than that. He can give pain to everybody. This is the condition. Sometime, so many Gaudiya devotees, sometimes they used to take permission from Prabhupada. Prabhupada, you are speaking, don't go there, don't go there, don't go there. Where we can go? Where to go? You say, don't go there, don't go there, don't. Then where we can go? We must go somewhere, na? Jivas are so chanchal, cannot sit in one place. Chanchal. Run here, there. They are going to give energy to Maya Devi. They say. So Prabhupada speaking, well, if you like to go, they like to go to here and there to hear Kirtan, Harikatha. Prabhupada said, don't go. All your success depend upon how best possible way you are going to concentrate on the right source. You have to select a right source from where we have to get transcendental sound. Not that is a material song and drama you can hear anywhere. Not that. So it depends upon your sincerity. So, Prabhupada used to say, well, if you like to go at all, you can check up, at all there is no namaparad. At least you make sure that there is at least no namaparad. Namabhas going on. He is speaking Harikatha Kirtan. Namabhas. At least namabhas. That you must be sure about. If not so, namaparad, then by hearing from that Acharya, gradually you can lose your consciousness. You can go to sub-zero level of consciousness. It depends upon. Somebody can think that Gaur Kishore Babaji Maharaj told Srila Prabhupada, my Prabhu, don't go to the Brahmanda of Kali. Don't go. It's all Kali there. Don't try to make any disciple. Don't try to get the association of any body. Don't get association with anybody. Kaur sango korben na. But externally we can see, Prabhupada went to Calcutta. Gaur Kishore Babaji Maharaj used to mean, Calcutta mean Kolir Brahmanda. Brahmanda of Kali. Where always, Prabhupada speaking, I never gone to Calcutta. Are you gone to Calcutta? We have seen by train, by... No, I am not gone to. I gone to Gauriya Math, Aprakita Gauriya Math, the courtyard of Aprakita Gauriya Math, which is Vaikuntha. I used to sing the glories of Bhagavan, Kirtan, not even a fraction of second, there is gapping, continuous. This way, Prabhupada speaking, I was bound to obey my Guru Padma, this way. But externally, he wanted to violate the instruction of Guru Padma. And I never made any disciple. You made so many disciples, thousands of disciples you made. No, I never made any disciple. They are all my Guru. They are protecting me so that Maya cannot touch me. Follow. All jivas, whole world, putting one CC camera on me. What he is doing? What is any wrong? They can catch me. CC camera. Acharya means CC camera. Always. Putting. Of course, now there is different kind of procedure invented. Electronic device. They can do anything what is artificial intelligence. They can do anything. Tuck to make picture. He is doing this. They can do. Now impossible is a word which is found in the book of foolish. A dictionary of foolish. Everything possible. They can make it. And bad man can be projected a very good. Like films, in film industry. If some rich man going to project you, have some interest, you can fulfill this interest? Yes. Then I can project you as a big hero. Film industry, this is going on. One ordinary man, I know, he was in our locality. In the gym he used to go. I don't like to name, to contaminate my tongue. There was one order from government, shoot at sight. It's so criminal. A man is good from Brahmin family externally, like Ravan. As his schooling was done in a very nice school. But finally he was involved in some. After that, there was an order issued, suit and tie, whenever see to suit, without any judgment. That the man flying, going away, going to Bombay, and with no money, no nothing, no bread, chapati, nothing. Poor. He is sitting in a cafe, tea stall, and crying. He has no information, that is a very nice tea stall. He is sitting and crying. By chance, there was a very important director of film, was there. Young boy looking very nice, smart. Why you are cooking? Why you are crying? But this is the position. I like to commit suicide. You come with me. Come with me. You like to obey me? I can give you rice, chapati, whatever. I can give everything to you. You can obey me? In India, he was the topmost director, film director. I don't like to name. Oscar award, golden, anything, all, from government. He got different titles. That man, director, engaged him. By the meantime, he was thinking about whom to engage in this character. He already got one story, and he was thinking whom to engage in this character. He was thinking. By chance, he got this man. Can you play? I can teach you. I don't know how. I can teach you. After his teaching, and the film was super hit. And from government, he got prize. And that the man become hero, big hero, superstar. So luck is there. This way your luck, where your luck can take, no surety. So everything depends upon association. By the association, his life changed. Change means in the sense materially change. I am not going to mean that. So, Sango to Prabhupada used to say, you can go at least where there is no nam aparat. You can go, nama. And Prabhupada saying, I never make any disciple, they are all my guru. And so far as the question of Sangha is concerned, I promise you, the kind of association you have given to me, absolute association. Prabhupada speaking, the kind of association, absolute association, I received from my Guru Padma, Srila Gaur Kishore Bhajma. I need not get the association of anybody. I need not get the association. I don't care. But usually without association, nobody can live. Really so. Somebody has to go for association. But that association is responsible for your sanskar. So you will have to think over and again before hearing Harikatha from one source, hearing Kirtan, exchanging view, taking some fruits or flower or anything from anybody exchange. All you will have to think over and again, with whom you are doing. If not so, then you are going to spoil your life. You are going to spoil your life. No father can save you. So, Kapilji Maharaj speaking to mother, Sango jo sangseter hetuhu. Actually, this material life we are leading, na? You have taken birth in America, here I am taking birth, everybody. They are taking birth in some place, from some mother taking birth. But they are leading their life according to previous sanskar. According to previous sanskar. They are bound to, they are driven by their previous sanskar. They are driven by their previous sanskar. Nobody can stop them. They are bound to. And karma fall, I mean, whatever you have done your past life or in this life previously, that reaction you will have to suffer. You will have to suffer. No father, no mother, no husband, no son, nobody can. You will have to suffer your own reaction of your karma phala. Avashyameva bhaktyavya. Kita karmam subha subham. Good or bad, whatever karma you like to propagate, you like to, whatever karma, good or bad, that you will have to suffer. No mother can take from. Not that from children I can take. They will have to suffer. This way, be careful. Kapilji Maharaj speaking, actually we have no sansar. We are leading material life, na? You have taken birth in England, here, there, London, or England as a whole, or in the seat, in the capital, London maybe. But actually, we all are leading material life, sansar. But actually, in our sarup, if you look into your sarup, there is no sansar. If you look into your sarup, is there any sansar? No sansar. Sarup, no sansar. You are bound to lead material life because of your reaction. Yesterday I told her, every action has its equal and opposite reaction. It is applicable also in devotional life. If you give bad treatment to him, then you will have to suffer same from Gurudev not expressing any jealousy attitude. Gurudev not envious. Gurudev is there in transcendental platform for treatment, only for treatment, giving, speaking heavy. Ordinary people, those who are common, they cannot speak heavy. They have no right. Only and only those who are pure Vaishnava, Guru Vaishnava, they can speak. I have no right to speak heavy to anybody. Be careful. So, if you look into your sorrow, actually there is no sansar. But where from this sansar coming? Well, according to your karma fall, you are developing sansar. You are rolling down, birth after birth, you are rolling down. Stop it! If you are intelligent, try to stop it. Better you can sacrifice this life unto a lotus feet of the Prabhupada. More practical. Why you can take trouble life after life? Non-stop. It is one kind of non-stop game going on. Nobody can stop. Shankaracharya told, na? Punarapi maranam, punarapi jananam, punarapi matri jathare sayanam. Again you are taking birth from the womb of one mother. Again you are dying, again taking birth. This way infinity progress. If you are really intelligent, try to stop this cycle. Better one life you take trouble, okay, one life. Why you are going to sacrifice, unto a lotus feet of Mayadevi? It's not good. So Kapilji Maharaj speaking to Mother, Sango jo sangsiter heto. This material life is responsible, your sanskar is responsible for the material. Because you are doing sangha with unstable object, follow, asat sangha. Asat means it not eternally present. Not eternally present. That is called asat. Somebody can say, Maharaj, that man is very sattik, very good. He is sitting in the library reading nice, novel, this, that. But still he is doing asat sangha. Niceness, novel, Shakespeare, this, that, Thompson is reading. Nice. My life is full of enjoyment. But they are doing a satsanga. Because that novel or that, whatever you are reading, all material. The man written, never real. The man written, he is material. His thoughts, material. His presentation, material, all everything material. Why you are unnecessarily foolish, going to destroy your life? You cannot see past and future. You cannot see. This is the arrangement of Maya. Maya can, Maya can allow you to focus on the object of enjoyment. It is the arrangement of Maya. Maya is very clever. Maya cannot allow you to transcend and look whatever going to happen. What going to happen you cannot see. Maya is so clever, Maya can allow you to see the object of your enjoyment. Cannot see here and there. But Guru Vaishnava can see up, down, east, west, back. They can see everything. Their darshan is open. Oh, he is going to do this. Oh my God, he is going to meet with this kind of problem. But the man involved, concerned, cannot see. Guru Vaishnava, he is going to do it. But if I speak to him, don't do, he cannot do it. That, I can do it. I can do it. Who are you to? You can do. But Guru Vaishnava become. He is going to meet this kind of problem. This way, nobody going to pay attention to the pravachan or Harikatha, absolute truth, or spoken by Guru Vaishnava. Nobody. So, sangoja sangsaritu asusubhito diya. So, all asat. Sat means, if somehow, luckily, you are going to get, knowingly or unknowingly, somehow, going to get the association of Dhamma, Nama, Mahaprasadam, Guru, Vaishnava, transcendental, somehow. You have no idea. Somehow. Somehow. Jiva Goswami was writing so many things in Sandarbha. Suppose one sadhu, I can give one example. One example. Very prominent example. Very important. Ajamil, I already told, due to bad association, he fall down. Association by eyes, association by ear, association by nose, or any time, fraction of second, association can make you fall down, and fraction of second satsanga can help you. That day I told. 1 second divided by 11 is one pal, Sanskrit word. That much time is more than sufficient to help you. Not that you come new, so you can come late. Maybe you come late, maybe you can make fast. Slow but steady, and win the race. Not that he came late, so he can come late also. Not that. He came late, but by the mercy of Guru, he can make tremendous development in life, devotional life. And I am old. So what? So Ajamil, he was a very good, nice man. Brahman also, nice. But by chance, he fall down. Anyway, I am not going to touch this chapter. What you don't know, that I like to speak. What you have no idea, you have no idea about what I am going to speak. Ajamil fall down. Now, Ajamil doing stabbing, killing people, involved in all dangerous activities. Dangerous activities. What not? Drinking, wine, this, that, all. Gambling, whatever, cross-quarter, all. But by chance, one team of sadhu came in his house. That time, Ajamil was not there. Ajamil was not there. His wife is very dangerous lady. But anyway, when sadhu came in the courtyard, then that lady, they say, well, you can stay in the garden nicely, arrangement, not going, they are not going to take anything. Anyway, they're staying and doing by. And while going away, by that time, Ajamil, night time not staying, morning time coming back. All night time doing all. So, before going to sadhu speaking, mother, you are going to give birth to one baby. You are going to give birth to one baby. We can see is not, that baby is, not, what is called, boy, not girl. So you can keep his name Narayan. It is our request. They gone. And Vajamil anyway going to obey wife. Then the boy took birth and the name was given Narayan. It is there in Puran. This way, in course of uttering Narayan, Narayan, come, Narayan, take bread with me, Narayan, let us go. This way, always speaking Narayan, Narayan, somehow. There is a deep interpretation, I am not going in it. This way, simply this sadhu came and the wife, see, same thing happened with that, Pingala Besha, the famous prose, Bhagavatam. By chance, one day, Dattatreya, he came there in his courtyard, his prose lady. By chance, by watching him, his activities, little bit impact he received. After that, he changed. You see, what is the effect of Sangha? You see, what is the effect, scientific effect of Sangha? So only night time, the tattva resting there and going away by watching him. Change. This way, anyhow, knowingly or unknowingly, if you develop some luck to get in contact with Guru Vaishnava, Dhamma, Nama, Mahaprasad, whatever, it can change your whole life. It can change your whole life. So, Prabhupada used to say this way. Prabhupada used to say, those who are great exalted devotees, though they are going in the assembly here and there, but be sure they are not going to get the association of anybody. In fact, they are going to give his highest association, good association to others. He is going to give their own association to others. Same thing written in Chaitanya. Mahanter kaj nahi pamor tarite, nijo karjo nahi tobu jan paro ghare. A sadhu has no business, but still going here and there to help bonded soul come out, to help bonded soul to come out. Maya. They are going. They have no personal. This way, Sango jo sangsitir hetu asosvito dhiya sa evo sadhusukritaha, or I can say sa evo sadhusukritaha mokshadaram apabritam. This is, I am taking two slok and join. It is also very good. But original slok is Sango jo sangsitir hetu asosvito dhiya sa evo sadhusukritaha nishangataya kalpate. Material modes of nature, I already told, the natural qualities, Sattva-raja tamagun, cannot stay in the air in suspended condition. Need some pot. So, that's mean actually he is not going to mix with anybody. He can cut. Though he is there, all bad association, they are all around. But a sadhu, inside them, but still cannot touch them. That is the power of Guru Vishnu. But ordinary people, if they are going for preaching, they can contaminate their life. That is why Bhaktivinoda Thakur told, don't go for preaching. Each and everybody cannot. They are idiot. They are number one idiot. They don't know. In bonded condition, if you go to here and there, you can get their association, you can fall down. That is the case. Fall down, fall down. Those elevated devotees, they are not going to get their association. In fact, he is going to give his good association to them to deliver them. That is the condition. So, sangojo sangsitir hetuhu asosya bhito dhiya sa eva sadhusu kritaha mokshadaram apad. Or I can say, nishangataya kalpate. If you are doing satsanga, how dadati pratiginyati prichati gudhyamakshati bhungte bhayate saravida satpiti lakshana. Follow. What kind of sangha? Dadati, you are giving something and accepting. Dadati pratiginyati. Prichati, asking something secret and speaking something pain to others or exchanging view. So, dadati pratiginyati, you are giving and taking something from heart. Dadati pratiginyati, prichati gujyamakshati, bhungte bhayat. You are giving something to him for eating or you are eating something. This way exchange of view. That anyhow, knowingly, unknowingly, if you are going to exchange with some unknown man, no idea, then bondage is a mark. Bondage. Because you are going to exchange with a material man, they are not eternally present. But the same thing, if you have same exchange, somehow, you are by chance you are doing with Guru Vaishnava, then it can be the reason, cause of your vimukti hetave. You can become free. So, Sangha is very important. I was speaking, Bhagavan to Uddhav, Bhagavan speaking, this way, all different kinds, Jagya, Tapa, Sadhaya, Adhaya, all not so effective. No rodhayati mam yogo, no sankhyam dharma evacha, no sadhyayas tapastyago, nesta purtim na dakshina, bratani yagyas chandyansi tirthani niyamayamaha, yatha varundhe satsangaha, sarvo sangya apohi mam. Satsanga can allow you to cut. Satsanga can allow you to cut sangha with other material objects or surrounding situation. Help you to cut. Then you cannot get association. Follow. After that Bhagavan speaking, it is no story. Practically I can speak you. So many demons, or beasts and birds, or any ordinary mans, they all due to the association of my devotee. They change their life. Due to only they got the association of devotee. They change their life. What they? Satsange, Bhagavan speaking, Satsange nahi daitya yatu dhana mrigaha khagaha gandharva apsaraso nagaha siddhyas charana gujjakaha vidyadhara manusheshu vaishyaha sudraha striyo antayaha rajastama prakatayo tasmin yuge anaga bahavo mat padam praptaha trashta kaya dhavadayoho vrisha parva valirvano mayaschata vibhishanaha sugriva hanuman niksho gajo griddho vanika pataha vyadaha kubja braje goppo yagya patnyas tatha pare te sutiga te nadhita sutigana nopasita mahattamaha abrata tapta tapasa satsangyat mam upagataha. All nice. But only due to satsanga, what happened? The demon, come on, the demon, they got association somehow, satsanga, they changed their. Bhagavan speaking, they were successful to reach my lotus feet. Oh my God. Example can give. So, satsangena, he means affirmative, surely. He means satsangena he means affirmative, confirmation. Only by satsanga you are successful to reach. Okay, nice. But we are not doing satsanga. Guru Padma used to say, sometime outside people coming, Dandavat. Guru Padma used to say, they are kapat. They are not paying Dandavat. Dandavat means you will have to throw your false ego. But you are not. Dandavat, Maharaj, speaking. Drama. Actually, from heart, they are not doing. Dandavat means you will have to throw your false ego, you will have to throw your false ego unto a lotus feet of Guru. All dirty there, inside the heart of anybody. They have to throw, while paying pranam, throw unto a lotus feet of Guru. Whatever dirty thing. And by body, speech and mind, your dandavat should be like through, by the help of body, speech and mind. Not that by body. Body is a material object. Yes, and maybe you are also speaking, Vancha Kalpaduru. Maybe you are speaking. You learn from, you have to speak. But mentally you are not giving yourself onto to speak. Anyway, you are going to maintain your own strategy. Yeah, we have some personal strategy we don't like to break. Let Guru Vaishnava speak. What it concerned to me? I can follow my own strategy. Why? Follow. This way, Dandavat Pranam means to throw your false ego, everything unto a lotus feet of Guru Vaishnava. I can give one example. Like you are busy, you are worshipping deity, or you are, Abhishek, doing everything, Shiva, this, all water, you have no time to go to Ganga to throw. So all the flower, dry flower, everything, garland, you are putting in a pitcher, on a pot, in a pitcher. Pitcher, you know? Okay, when I can give suitable time, I can go to Ganga and throw there. At the same time, I can wash the pitcher, and I can get fresh Ganga water for worship. Nice, you plan. So now, after 1 month, Kartik is over, now you have sufficient time, you are going to throw all water there. For a long time, it's there, all dirt, all, dry flower, everything, you have to pray. Now you have go. What you can do, by reaching Ganga, what you are supposed to, you can take the pitcher this way, and put the neck up, down, you can put up. Now neck is this, you can put, then all water, all dry flowers and tulasi, all can go into Ganga. After that you can take some Ganga mud, after that you can clean. After the clean is there, you can wash it properly. Wash it properly. After that you can put the neck, where? Put the neck, first of all this. After that, put the neck this. Neck is there, how you can put? You can put the neck in the water first. After that, little bit. Then water, going inside pitcher. When the pitcher is full of fresh water, they can take. Now you cannot put this, because now fresh water comes. Similarly, whenever we are going in front of Guru Vaishnava, paying pranam, whatever dirty thing there, deposited, for a long time we can throw onto a lotus feet of Ganga, Guru Vaishnava. Guru Vaishnava is Ganga, or more than Ganga. Gangar porose hoy paschate pavon, Vaishnava darshane, Vaishnava darshan, immediately pure. You need to go to Ganga, take bath, then you can be fine. Darshane pavitro karo, ei tomar gun. Gangar parase hoy paschate pavon, Narottam Thakur writing. But by your darshan, immediately you can purify. Ready-made. Darshan, whenever we are walking down the street, looking one demon, this, that, what to do, I cannot take bath. But it is written in Shastra, you will have to take bath. Whenever you see Mayavadi, you will take bath in a full cloth also, Mahaprabhu told. What to do? In Haridwar, they arrange my staying in nice place, so that I can write so many books and this. And every day somebody coming with car and taking me there. In Siliguri also. But sometime I look one demon, Mayavadi. Da! Mayavadi, Rakshas. What to do? I have no time to take bath now. After 5 minutes I have to start Harikatha. I remember the lotus feet of Guru Padma. That now. Proper bathing. I remember lotus feet of Guru Padma. Or I can remember the Patit Pavan, what you see in Jagannath, Lion Gate, there is one Patit Pavan. Then I purified. Purified. I already took bath, you cannot see. I already took bath, you cannot. Took bath with clothes, everything done. Purified. Or sometime you see I touching this, so that no contamination should be there. Vrindadevi touching means purify. Follow. That doesn't mean you can do all wrong activities and you can come and touch. Baba told you not that you will take bath. Idiot. Not that. You can find the easiest way and no effort, nothing. More practical, huh? Not that. This way actually, whenever you pay pranam and you get up, that's when you are going to throw all your dirty, whatever dirty. You're going to throw all, everything, whatever. And whenever you pay Vanchakarudam, get up, of course you will have to give your mind also. Then you can get this result. Ramanujaji also told same thing. Same thing, Ramanujaji. So this way, whenever we pay pranam and get up, we are going to get fresh. Our buddhi, our intellect can purify. Or we can throw the old one, dirty, and fulfill. So, Bhagavan speaking practically, satsange nahi, satsange nahi, daitya yatu dhana, mriga, khaga, all deer, all different kind, all birds, all they, daitya, jatudhana, rakshas, ghost. Jatudhan means actually, in Bengali we say witch, this, that. Jatudhan, very dangerous, fearful. Gandharva, Apsara, Nagaha, follow. Siddha, Charano, Gujhaka, they are staying in different platform. Bhur, Bhubaswa, Maho, Jano, Tapusad, their place is different. Urdhva Sargo, Vidyadhara, Manusyaha, Vidyadhar, they are one kind of demigods, they are playing musical instrument and song. Vidyadhara. Manusyeshu, Vaishyaha, those who are Vaishya, Shudra, even women, Striya, Antayaha, they are outcast. They Rajastama Prakritayu, Tasmin Juge Anaga. He Nispab, He Uddhav, they time to time, they got the association of my devotee. And after that, they all were successful to reach my lotus feet. Then going to give one list, a small list. List is vast. So Bhagavan going to make some list so that he can convince us. Bahavo means many such bonded souls. They all, Bahavo mat padam praptya trashta kaya dhavadayuhu. Vishwaparva bolirvano mayaschat vivishanaha. Bahavo means many. Mat padam prapta, they reached. They were successful to reach my lotus feet. Who? Trashta. Trashta means Vittasud. Trashta nandan trasto. Trasto. Kaya dhavada. Kaya dhavada yoho. Kayadhu. Mother of Prahlad Maharaj. Kaya dhavada yoho. Like Bhagavan speaking to Arjun. Konteyo. Konteyo means is the son of Kunti. So here also, speaking, Kaya dhavadayuhu. Kaya dhavadayuhu means Kayadhu Nandan Kayadhu Nandan Prahlad. Kayadha. Dhavadayoho. There is big list. He had to cut short. He can give more example. Kayadhavadayo. Okay, nice. Vrishaparva. Vrishaparva is the son of Prahlad Maharaj. Bali is the son of Vrishaparva. Bano is the grandson of, Vrishaparva. Vrishaparva, Balir, Bano is the son of Bali Maharaj. Mayo, one big demon, who is a technician, topmost engineer in their demonic world. They are demon, but they big. Even Vishwakarma, who is the engineer there in heaven, more than that. What Vishwakarma cannot do, he can do. What Vishwakarma cannot do, he can do. So nice. So those who are demon, they are developing more technical, because it's Maya, more technical thing. So, Vishwaparva, Balirvano, Mayascha, Atho, Vibhishana. Vibhishan also. Vibhishan is Rakshas. Vibhishan is the brother of Ramchandra, brother of Ravan. Vibhishan is the brother of Ravan. Vibhishan, everything, everybody knows. Sugriv is ultimately he become the friend of Ramchandra. Sugriv, Hanumanji Maharaj, though he is eternally present, but still going to play this role as if for the first time going to meet Vira, but eternally present. Anyway, somebody has to play this kind of role. Sugrivo, Hanuman, Nikhyo mean bear. Bear means Balu, Who? Jambuvan. Jambuvan, you heard the name of Jambuvan in Ramayana. Jambuvan is the incarnation of Brahma. Hanumanji is the incarnation of Mahadev. Nobody knows. So, Sugrivo, Hanuman, Nikhyo. Nikhyo is the Sanskrit word. Nikhyo means Bhalu, Bhaluk, beard, beard, Bhaluk. Nikhyo, Gajo, Gajendra, 8 canto, Gajendra. It's a great devotee. Previous life, he was, Indradumna Maharaj. Got the association of Naraji Maharaj. I can come after. Sugriva, Hanuman, Riksho, Gajo, Gridho, Baniko, Pataha. Gridho means Jatayu. In Ramayana, Jatayu, who fought with Ravan while Ravan abducting Sita Devi in his own chariot taking. Of course, that Sita Devi was not genuine Sita Devi. Maya Devi wanted to cheat. That was shadow Sita. Actually, Sita, not there. Long history. So, Gajo, Gridho, Baniko, Pataha. One businessman is there, Baniko, Patho, Dharmo, Vyad, Dharmo. Baniko, Patho, one businessman. Long history in Mahabharata there. No detailed discussions, not possible. He was doing so many examples there in Mahabharata. Here they are different. They are all due to satsanga change. Follow? I have no time to speak all story, So, Gajo, Gridho, Baniko, Patha, Vyadaha, Vyad means hunter. He was also changed. Kubja, there was a hump, in Krishna Lila, in Mathura, Kubja, she was giving service to Ravan. What service? Anulepan, Chandan, Karpur, different essence, all different things making. Anulepan, like Chandan. Anulepan, you know the technique. The proportion. How much amount of Chandan should be there, how much camphor, how much this, that, all ratio is going to put it. And going to come in front of in front of Kamsa, and Kamsa with no cloth, and putting all the body, kubja giving. Majestic arrangement. They are king, na? So, our big king is there in our spiritual world. They are more than that. They are enjoying their life. But nobody knows. They think as great devotee. Ah, Maharaj, we are grateful. You coming to make us fall down. Very grateful. Very good. You are coming, taking trouble here, long distance, to help us fall down. Very nice. So, Sugrivo Hanuman Rikho Gajo Girdho Paniko Patha Vyadaha Kubja Kubja also, and Gopo, all those gopikas there, those who are eternally present, that gopika. Another gopikas, though due to their service there, in Naimicharan, yes, no, Naimis. It was Dandokarana, they all become successful. Rishi Muni, they become, or some gopikas that they used to give service to Rishi Munis, somehow. Different grades. Gopikas not one type. Gopika, different grades are there. Not one type of gopika. One from this heritage, another from this heritage, all different. They all served Krishna in all different excellent way, according to their capacity, but with full heart. Capacity low. Like one squirrel, according to its capacity, wanted to, going to help when Ramchandra wanted to make the bridge up to Lanka, Sri Lanka. Then Hanumanji Maharaj taking one stone, big stone, and writing Ram, Jai Sri Ram, throwing into water. And the water is floating. In water, the stone is floating. This way, he was successful to make one. Hanumanji Maharaj, all other monkeys, they were helping. Oh. But in the meantime, one squirrel is saying, well, I also like to serve. How I can serve? I have no hand and leg. Then going to roll down one on the sand and going in water, going to sand. Give some sand, a sand also, sand. This way, then some devotee become angry. What you are doing is disturbance. Ramchandra, why not you try to get the cream? It's effort. Maybe he is unable to do, but try to accept. Guru Vaishnava like that. I have done a lot of seva that we can show. But if I do seva in a very precise way, without a love puja pratishtha, without condemnation, that Guru Vaishnava can give attention to that. So squirrel doing seva, trying to do seva. Maybe it is almost nothing, but Ramchandra no, is trying. Come on. Taking in the hand, squirrel taking in the hand, Ramchandra going to blow his soft finger over. From then onward you can find 3 fingerprints there. Squirrel, you have seen? Marking? Ramchandra. This way, Bhagavan or Guru Vaishnava going to accept your mood, your heart, not that object. They are going to take the substance, inner meaning. So, this way, Sugrivo, Hanuman, Riksho, Gajo, Girdho, Vaniko, Patho, Vyadaha, Kubja, Braje, Gopo, Yogyo, Patnos, Tathapari. Now question is that I can go on explaining who they are all, respectively, and how they all came out successful, one by one, tomorrow. But today discussion is that, first point, surprising, they never gone through any books. They don't know. Te nadhita sutiganaha, like Jaggapatni and Goppa, about them, and or other. Te nadhita sutiganaha. They never gone through Vedas, nothing. They never gone through Vedas. Te nadhita Veda. They never gone through Vedas. No pasita mahattamaha. They never worshipped any elevated personalities. They never wrote. So, te nadhita sutigana no pasita mahattama. Then how? But they also never observed any brata. Hello. Like these, that, different kind of vratas, not that. No pasito mahattamaha, abrata tapta tapasa. They never gone through austerity and finances. No, nothing. No worship, nothing. They don't know. Even they have no idea what to do. So, fallen there. Abrata tapta tapasa, only by satsanga, satsangyat mam upagata. Only due to satsanga. Only and only due to satsanga. They were all successful to reach my lotus feet. How excellent! What is not possible by yagya, tapa, austerities, finances, donation, what is possible very easily? Satsanga, sarva saste koi, labamatu sadhu sange, sarva siddhi. So nice, satsanga. Now Bhagavan wanted to say, the kevalena hi bhavena guppo gavo niga khagaha je anne muro dhiyo nagaha siddhya mam iur anjasa. Very easily they reached my lotus feet. They reached very easily. Anjasa. How? They are actually foolish. They ignorant. They have no idea, no brain, nothing. What kind of brain you can expect in a bird? What kind of brain you can expect in a deer? They are driven by natural instinct, but they are successful. It is completely right, absolute. I can show you from Benu Gita or Gopi Gita. I gone through within 10 years so many things. If you go, you can find. Bhastaran Leela, Gopi Gita, Benu Gita, all different discussion. There you can find birds. They have no idea, they are birds. But when Sri Krishna Bhagavan playing on the fluids this way, then that Bangshidhani, it is written that birds, very small birds, sitting in a tree and taking nice leaf, very green, nice, newly grown leaf, taking, or fruits or something. Whenever that Bangshidhani, Bhagavan playing on the fluids, that Bangshidhani coming, immediately the birds, they stop eating. Hearing. So nice, sweet, nectar. Birds eating. They are like stand still, not moving, hearing the Bangshidhani. Gomata, their calf is very hungry, drinking water from the breast milk of mother. Whenever that Bangshidhani coming, that calf stop drinking milk. And the ear, like one glass going to take rasa. One glass, the ear is like glass, putting up. All rasa coming, I wanted to collect that rasa and drinking. All there. Not story, is fact. Vrindavan, such an excellent place, you cannot imagine. With this material eyes and dirty mood, if you go to Vrindavan, you can get deprived. You cannot understand. What is Vrindavan? I have been there in Vrindavan, in Puri, Vadiyadi. Vrindavan you have seen? No, we cannot see with the material eyes. So, Bhagavan speaking, in Shastra, Gurupad Padma many times used to say, Baba, my son, Bhagavan is Bhavagrai Janardhan. Bhagavan always going to accept my Baba. What kind of pure Baba is there? That Bhagavan paying attention. Guru Padma used to say, Bhavagrai Janardhan. Somebody foolish man, Brahman speaking, Oye, say mantra, Krishnaya Nama, Vaishnave Namaha, Ittadi speak. But he cannot pronounce. He is making wrong pronunciation. He cannot speak Sanskrit properly. The wrong pronunciation. But still, if he is speaking mantra from heart, a loveful relation, then Bhagavan can accept, okay, no problem. So, you can take birth in a high family. Maybe you have big educational qualification. Maybe you are good looking. Maybe, but still, Bhagavan is not going to pay attention to all those things. Hanumanji Maharaj speaking in 5th canto. That you look, I took birth, where I took birth. I am beast. I am nice looking? No. Educational qualification? Nothing. I have riches? No, nothing. How Lakshanagraja, the elder brother of Lakshmanji Maharaj, Ramchando, loved me? How accepted me? I am beast, looking, dirty looking. How Ramchandra, out of his, compassion, mercy, causeless mercy, accepted me? So Bhagavan not going to think that you took birth in Africa, you took birth here, there. Bhagavan going to accept your Baba. If Baba is okay, Bhagavan can accept. I am Brahman, high family, so I can go to, not that. In Chaitanya Jayanta, they written the Siddhanta. Guru Bhatman many times used to say, Kulin Panditer Baro Abhiman, Dinere Odhik Daya Karen Bhagavan. Guru Bhatman used to say, those who are humble, Dinhin, Bhagavan going to pay attention to them. Dinere Odhik, those who are having growing humble attitude, humbler than the bread of glass like Haridas Thakur. Bhagavan giving the highest honor. Bhagavan giving the highest honor to whom? Haridas Thakur, who took birth in a Muslim family. More than Sanatan and Rup, because he was declared as Nam Acharya. Nam Acharya. And name is topmost. Bhagavan name, Bhagavan Nam is more than Bhagavan. So if Mahaprabhu going to declare his Namacharya, that means he is giving the highest title ever possible. So you see, not that is high level, high birth, not that. Dinere, Guru Bhatpadma used to speak this thing repeatedly. Dinere odhik daya karen Bhagavan. Those who are going humble attitude, I am nothing. Then Bhagavan become very angry, very, very happy. Dinere odhik daya karen Bhagavan. Those who are kulin, those who took birth high family. Follow. I have seen. They are expressing false ego. My heritage is higher than Guru Maharaj heritage. Achha. They are speaking. Guru Maharaj is also Brahman, I am Brahman, but I am from a higher Brahman. Oh my God. He is a beast or man. Fall down. Immediately fall down. Immediately fall down. Oh my God. Don't develop this kind of distorted brain by committing opera. Better don't do bhajan. Still okay. You can be saved some days. But don't commit offense. Less bhajan is okay. So, dinere odhik daya karen Bhagavan, those who are very humble, Bhagavan will keep up to them. Kulin Panditer Vara Abhiman. Hanumanji Maharaj speaking, you see my position, but still, Lakshanagraja, the elder brother of Lakshmanji, besto keep on me. Sabari, Villivai, very low caste, not low, outcast, not outcast. Outcast is still okay. But so low that you even cannot calculate. You cannot count. Villivai, tribal, very low caste, tribal, killing snack, this, that, and burning in the fire, eating, this way. Flesh. From that heritage, Belni Bhai, Sabari, go to Ramchandra. How Ramchandra accepted him, her. How nice. So I can discuss day by day all important things so that we can get inspiration to do Hari Bhajan. We never like to become hopeless. Hopeless is not good. Sangoja sangsetir hetuhu asusvito dhiya sa eva sadhusukritaha nishangattayo kalpate vancha kalpadurusya kipasindhivyocha patitanang pavanebhyo vaishnavabhyo namo vancha kalpadurusya.